Hello, this is Malay and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, let's take a look at how do we create a folder in the SharePoint Online document library using Power Automate Desktop. Let's get started. Now I do have a SharePoint site and a document library. Let me just show you that. I have the IT department site and I have the projects document library. Now we would be going to create the different folder here under the projects document library. Well, we will be creating a folder in the projects document library. So let's go ahead. Under the SharePoint actions, look for create a folder. So create new folder, drag and drop. If this is the first interaction, it will ask you to provide the credentials which allows you to connect to your SharePoint site, and that account will be used as a connection reference. I am already authenticated and that's the reason it did not ask me. Site address. It will list down all the sites where the user has the access. So I'm going to go and select the IT department site. The IT department is going to take up different projects, so let's go ahead and select the projects document library. So we have a projects and then the folder path. Now if you don't specify anything, that's going to be at the root folder. So let us say first project that IT team will undertake is the service desk automation, and that's the project that they would like to carry forward. Click on save. Let's click another action, same action, create new folder, same IT department site. Let's go and fetch the same library projects, and let's go ahead and create one more project. Let's call it as AI powered knowledge management. Click on save. Now we have the requirements already started gathering for our first project, so let's go ahead and create the subfolder in the first project, which is the service desk. So site address, same IT department site, projects document library, and make sure that we provide the same folder name which we are going to create dynamically. So that's going to be service desk automation / requirement gathering. Alright, click on save. Let's go ahead and click run. Now it's executing, and it's executing, and it's done. Let's refresh, and you will see that we now have two folders, service desk automation. The first one, of course, is shown depending on your view. Then the AI powered knowledge management. Under the service desk automation, we would have created the requirement gathering because we specified the subfolder path. So that's a simple way you can use PAD to create the folders and the subfolders in the SharePoint document library. Well, I thank you so much for watching this video.